Hello viewers, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, TMP Photography. Today's video is not going to be about any photography or any tutorial, but I'm going to review a product, and that is called as the Rain-X. Can you see it? Okay. So what this product actually does is it repels rainwater or any other water that falls on the glass or windshield or any of the side screens. So yeah, I purchased this online and I'll be reviewing it on my Honda Jazz. So these will be the three products I'll be using today. Just a regular glass cleaner, the Rain-X, and a clay bar that is meant for automotive glass or body. So this one also I purchased it online on Amazon. I'll leave the description, the link to the description, blah blah blah. Alright, so I'll take this glass cleaner first and spray it on the windscreen. So what I'm basically doing is getting off all the minute dirt particles with the clay bar.
Along with the glass cleaner. And then the windscreen will be ready for the Rain-X solution. Yeah, so the glass is clear.
So this is the clay bar. I've opened it up completely. I've spread it wide. This thing is really sticky. So yeah, so this is what I do. I rub it like this in circular motion. So what we're basically doing is removing all the stubborn dirt particles with this. Actually doing this on a regular basis is a good thing.
So guys, this is Rain-X. I see it working. It's raining heavily and I'm not using the wipers. Let's check out the water going up with the wind. it's just wiping itself away. I don't need to use a wiper. But guys, be careful. Use your wipers responsibly. I really don't recommend you not to use the wipers. Use them when needed. I just use them. But still, I feel the Rain-X is a very good option for you to repel water from your windscreens. Yes, it is effective. It is. I hope it's clear in the video. Can you see it, guys? I just used the wiper once. That's it. It's reduced raining, and the water is wiping itself with the wind. I'm not using the wipers. This is the side screen, side window. It's just moving off with the wind. Check this. It's almost gone. Thank you guys for viewing. I'll leave the link to this product in the description below. If you guys would like to subscribe to my channel, please do if you find this product interesting, and like my video, comment down below. I'm very new to YouTube. I'm new to vlogging. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. I'm driving also. Don't do this, guys. It's really dangerous. Okay, I'm gonna cut short this video. I have to drive. Bye bye.